This is the FMS T-28, flying on a 5-cell battery. And this one, I have noticed that if you have any speed at all, when you bring the gear up, the gear door won't shut. On the bench it works fine. It's only when it's in the air, so I'm guessing it's airflow resistance. And I have got it into a crawl and activated it, and it seemed to go close all the way. Like right now, you can see, get it over here a little closer. You can see that gear door hanging down just a smidge, no big deal. Yeah, thank you, man. What makes this one good is it'll fly on a 4, 5, or 6S.
Oh, that's nice.
All without changing the prop.
That's really nice.
Yeah. This is on a 5-cell right here. 6-cell though, you got to really find a smaller pack, otherwise the canopy won't close up without doing some carving, you know. It's got a good amount of punch out though.
It does. That thing will just keep going up.
Yeah, pretty much until you reach that limit, you know.
Yeah.
That was 400 feet, right?
Yeah, yeah. That was more like 3.
Yeah, that's what I think.
They're violating people all over the place right now.
Are they?
Our pizzo is, yeah.
Huh.
Mine was telling me about it. Says they're trying to be nice, but people aren't listening to them.
Oh, really? Well, you know.
It's just the registration numbers is what they're getting everybody on.
Yeah, I think I've actually got mine on every plane. Well, this one's a new plane, so I've only got about 4 or 5 flights on it,
yeah,
something like that.
I have mine. That's all you need. Well, if I'm flying them, I'm putting them on again.
Well, I've got it on my ID badge, you know, my club field badge, but I think I've got it on all my planes, but this one may not have it just because it's a new plane and might have overlooked it.
The first times they're not getting anybody, but when they come back out and they're seeing the same person again, that's when they're nailing everybody.
Oh yeah.
Dude.
Have they been out here yet?
I don't know if they've been in this field yet. I know they've been to the Grapevine one several times. They seem to be having a lot of issues up there.
Huh. Yeah, there it is. T-28.